Hey guys, what's up? It's me Rakin. In this video, I'll show you that how you can create a Gmail agent by using n8n, and this Gmail agent gonna level all the incoming messages, and also it will create draft replies to every selected messages, and everything gonna happening in autopilot. It's mean in your absence, this agent will work 24/7. So let me show you everything from the scratch that how I really made that. So as you can see that right now on n8n, so I'll just go to the first node and I'll just click here and just go with Gmail. So on the Gmail section, as you can find this one on message received, so there's the trigger one. So every message received, this will start. So as you can see that like the mood section, I have to just go with every minute, and on the credential to connect in here, I've been just already connected, so I'll not go with anyone. So but if you didn't connect it, you will just go with the create new credentials and then go with the sign up with Google, but I already connected, so I'll not go with that. So everything is fine. Then I'll just go in here and I will just send a message to this email from another account, so that, like I can just see that like it's or not. I'll just come in here and just type the email and then go with this message, and that's it. It's simple to do. Then okay, so that's it. It's message send. I'll just come in here and just see if this message came or not. Yeah, I just find the message, so I'll just go to my n8n and to see that is it collecting the message or not. As you can see that it's saying that the workflow started, executed the result. As you can see, that's the message in here. Okay, so now I'll just give the message to another node. So in here I'll just add the text classifier. So in the text classifier section, I'll just give the message in here. So I'll just drag the snippet and just put this in here. And in the category section, I'll just add category. So in the category section, I have to give the labels name and the description for the labels. So if I just show you in my Gmail, so as you can see that there are labels, 5 labels I added: YouTube viewers, sales inquiry, meeting requests, partnership plans, collaboration requests. So as like me, I'm like make automation, and also I just sell automation services. So that's kind of basic things I just really important to understand, like and you can understand that these kind of things are classify my messages and like this thing. So maybe in your case are different, so your labels will be different and your description will be different, obviously. So let me just go and add the labels in here. So every category is the name of the labels. So I'm just giving the same thing in here. So I just filled out everything, so I just keep the thing actually, so just don't waste 2 times. As you can see that the first category is the potential clients. So if I just show you the potential clients in here, and the description is like this. You can see this like emails from individuals or business interested in automation service but haven't booked a meeting yet. So that's the potential ones. And in the category section second, I just put it the meeting request. So as you can see that in here it's meeting request. So I'll just give it meeting as request. Yeah, that's it. So in the description section, you can just see that emails was someone explicitly asked to schedule a call, meeting, or demo. That's on the level of meeting request. And then the sales query, I just add this email asking about pricing, service details, packages, or custom automation costs. And also in here, I just added the YouTube viewers. It's mean anyone just came from the YouTube. It's mean email from people who watched my YouTube videos and are reaching out with question or feedback type this thing. And the last I just say as category as like collaboration request. So as a YouTuber, I just get a sponsorship like this thing. Emails are from brands, influencer companies wanting to collaborate or partner with me. So that's other things. Obviously, these things will be different in your case and for your business. So as you can see, that's the message. And also I'll just try to see that what type of level it will get. But before that, I have to add this with a chat model or like a AI model so that it can do the things that I have to do, because it can't do everything by itself. So I'll just go with plus icon and just go with open router. Actually, I'm just using open router. If I have OpenAI, just go with OpenAI. And if you don't have open router, you have to just go to open router website, just create a website. And the main thing, like why I'm using open router, because by using open router, I can get free access to many great models. For example, Gemini experimental models, and also like Olama and these kind of things. So I'm just going with model, and if I just click here free, and I'll just get the really good models for free. And you can see there are lots of free models I can use. I'm just going with Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental. That's it. So let me test this, like is it works or not. So as you can see that it's saying the message is meeting, and you can see that in the message, hi Rakin, I'm interested in your lead automation service. How much do you charge for setting up a workflow that leads and each and reaches them before sending cold emails? So in here they're saying, so it is whatever mail it is, it's kind of like, so as you can see that it's sales and branch item. So it's the sales inquiry branch. So yeah, cause the person is just asking for me for the automation prices. It's very simple to do. So as you can see that it's kind of done. So I have to just add a note. So I'll just go and just click on the note in here. So in here I have to go with Gmail. And in this section I have to go with that add level to messages. So it's gonna right now add level to messages. So in here I have to go with in section here message ID. So I have to just add this so that like it can just get the message ID in here. Okay, so in the message ID I'll just came in here and I'll just go in this one test classifier. I'll just put this in here. That's it. And the level, I'll just go in here and just keep the level as it is sales. So I'll just choose the sales because I'm just taking the input from a sales. So that's why sales inquiry. That's it. So let me go and just check this. Is it working or not? There's a step. Okay, it's saying, is it okay? So I just refresh that. As you can see, it added the level sales inquiry. It's very easy to do. Okay, now I have to just go with the rest of the flow. So I'll just add this simply with the rest of the flow. I'll just go and duplicate this thing. So as you can see that I just added all of that. But before that, going the next step, I also have to just do the settings to everything because you can see that this is from the potential clients. So I'll just go and just add the level as potential clients. I just came in here and I'll just go with potential clients. Okay, that's it. Then I'll just come in here again. I'll just work with. So that's the actually meeting request. So I'll just add the meeting request. This one. Okay, that's it. And rest of the two also work with this. There's the YouTube viewers. Okay, and the last one is collaboration request. That's it. Easy to do. Okay, right now everything is done. Kind of like a little bit zoom out. Okay. So now I have to add these messages to another AI model. So that's how it can generate a new response. So I'll just go and add a note in here. Okay, in here I have to add a AI agent, which is this one. And then I'll just go with in here and just go define below. In here I have to give the prompt or the command of mine that how it will work and like what the prompt is really is. So I just made a prompt for myself. So I'm going with expression and just show you the whole command that I just made. So as you can see that this is the command of mine. Let me go and just run that again to see the results. As you can see, it's not connected, so that's why I just connect a little bit. Okay, so now I just show the rows. Okay, now you can see that thing, everything in here. So now my friends, you can see that I just said that you are an AI assistant for Rakin Zakaria at Together Media. That's it, like I just defining myself, replying to the email based on the detected category. And then in the email section, I'm just giving the email. For example, if I show that how I really did that, I just go in the Gmail trigger section, which is this one, and I go with snippet and just put this in here. That's it, ready to do. And the sender of the mail also, if I show that, I will just get that. You can see that from is the sender of the mail, and I'll just put that in here. That's it, that's the sender of the mail. So, and in here, there's no subject because like, if I just get a subject that kind of like difficult to do work on in the letter, I will show it obviously. And then I just give in the most important thing, which is called a level-based response guidelines. So at the first I say that like potential clients who people interested in services. For example, if anyone just like get a level or if any message get a level as potential clients, this kind of message the AI will send, for example, hi name, thanks for reaching out. Like, I would love to help you with automation. Can you share more details about your business and specific automation you need? Looking forward to hearing from you. Like, this kind of message will send to the people, those who are potential clients, because AI is so broad. So if you just give very specific understanding based specific training, it will work so perfectly. So that's why I'm just trying to giving a very specific learning. Obviously it's just this road to just show you that you can just go very deep. So that's how you can get very accurate answer for yourself. And also for the meeting request, I just said this, how I would happy to discuss in details. You book a meeting with me in here. So I just send the calendar link, and at the last, I'll just give a calendar link in here. That's it. You can see that's a calendar link of mine. And that's how it really works. So let me know if you need any time or like this. So in the meeting request, if anyone just give me a meeting request, hi name, I would be happy to discuss in details. You book a meeting in here. So that's a meeting request. Okay. So in the last time, just and the third thing, I'm just giving the sales inquiry, and you can just thanks for your interest or pricing demands on blah blah. Could let me know. And also it is giving the pricing page link, and I'm just added the pricing page link in here. As you can see that there's a pricing page link. And the fourth, YouTube viewers, if anyone just came from the YouTube and just wanted to know something, hey name, great to hear you. Video useful regarding description, question about topic. So here's a quick answer. So I don't give a short explanation by itself by the AI. And if you want a deeper explanation, I can guide you by a call. So actually it's trying to just make this person as a lead for myself automatically fully. And the collaboration request, hi name, I would love to explore collaboration. Could you share more information or the more information I have to offer? Let's discuss how we can work together. So as you can see that I'm also giving my like important links, for example, the calendar links, pricing page, and also my YouTube channel, Instagram link, Twitter link, Facebook page link. So if the AI thinks it needed, so it will just add that with the message. So that's it. It's very simple to do. Okay, let me just go and just add this and just see that is it works or not. But before that, as you can see, it's saying that as like red, it's mean we have to just add a chat model in here. So I'll just go and just copy this thing. Okay, so I have to just add this in here. That's it, and it will just work as like with the Gemini Flash 2.0 experimental model. Also, if you have Gemini, the premium version of Cloud, or like DeepSeek, or like kind of OpenAI, if premium version even directly use that, you don't have to just go with OpenRouter. So you can see is it work or not. Just go with test workflow. So as you can see, it has given result. Just taking the name. It's just taking the name from the email. And thanks for your interest. Our pricing depends on our specific needs. Could you let me know what automation you are looking for? And here's a general pricing guide. So then it's just giving the pricing page link that I just given to it. Then content, blah blah. It's a link. That's it. It's very simple to do. Okay. So right now I'm just adding these to my Gmail draft. So how can I just do that? Like I'll just go Gmail and just go with the draft creator. So I'll just, as you can see that this is one, create a draft. I'll just add this. Very fine and easy to do. I'm just adding a like normal subject reply from RJ, it means Rakim Zakaria. Then I'm just going the message. The message will be the output of the AI agent. I'll just add this in here. That's it, very simple to do. Then I'll just go with add option and I'll go with thread ID. And this ID will be the trigger ID. And you can find this under the Gmail trigger. Just go with this ID because there's a fight at the first ID that's executing. So that's why I'm just choosing this. Then another option, and then I'll just go with send replies to. And in this section, I'll just go with the front section. I'll just add in here because that's actually the from the message that has come to me. So the reply will go to that person. That's it. So I'm also adding this thing. I just forget later added this. Okay, make sure that you added everything properly. So let me see is it work or not. I'm just going again, test workflow. Yep, it's worked. So I have to go over and just, as you can see, just given two kind of just levels, sales inquiry, potential clients. So it's also understanding like it can be a sales inquiry and also it can be a potential clients both, because you can see that like the person is just saying, oh, I'm interested in new leader services. How much do you charge for setting workflow? And also it's saying at the first if like it interested, and also it's saying for my services. So it can be potential clients and also it can be sales inquiry both. So if I just go and click reply, yeah, that's a reply. So as you can see that, hey Zakaria, for interest, our pricing depends on specific needs. Could you let me know what automation you're looking for? Here's a general price guide. And so as you can see, that it's just giving the price guide that I just used in here. So I just go this link actually. Just going to the link, and that's it. I just added a random this image from the internet, so that's why it's just showing it kind of a bit off. So that's it. That's what really works. So let me just show you with the like testing with other mails. So let me just go with and just try to just send different mails in here. Add I'll go with my email in here and just add this. You can see there's another mail, and I'll just go send, and let me see that if it works or not. As you can see, that email has been canceled. So I'll just go in my automation and just run this. So let me see. Okay, as you can see that this is kind of like YouTube viewers. If I see this, I said like, oh, hey, I watched a YouTube video on make the automation. Can you clarify how to webhook trigger works? So obviously this is the like kind of like a question, and a YouTube viewers came to me and asked me, and I'll say that I'm a little bit confused. Okay, so then I said, hey Zakaria, sorry. Great to hear you found my video useful regarding your question about the webhook trigger. Here's a quick answer. A webhook trigger is really blah blah blah. Specific URL that make.com provides you. When data arrives at URL, it triggers signal. If you want a deeper explanation, I can guide you via call. So if it says, okay, I want to just call with you, then the automation again runs. Then it will give the calendar link. Very easy to do. And if I just click send, so I will just go with this one. And if I just go with reply, and if I just click send, that I send will be. So if I also have to just give the email address in here. Okay, so that's it. Very easy to do. That's it. I will just check this, because like I just added this as manual, because you need the human interaction with AI so that like the work will be so good. Otherwise it can be kind of like imbalanced. So that's it. And that's how it really works, my friends. I hope this will help you a lot. But before that, I actually just show you that how it really works in like without the app store. So if I just click here save, so the automation has been saved. If I just click here inactive to active, right now our automation has been activated. So let me show that without your absence how it really works. I'll do the execution to show you everything in live. So as you can see that that's our latest execution. So right now I'll just send another email to myself and just see that, to show you that how it really works in live. Okay, so I'll just do this, and I'll just go with my ID. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is a new email. Hey Rakin, I work with SSS company that provides AI automation tools. We would love to sponsor your next YouTube video. Are you open to discuss this thing? So as you know that like this is a sponsor kind of video, or like it's a collaboration request. So obviously YouTube will level the collaboration, and YouTube will just reply as a collaborator. So this thing, let me just click send. And right now I have to just wait in here to see the execution. I have to wait a little bit, because it just taking at least 1 minute to do the thing. So as you can see that due automation just suddenly just added in here, and if I just go and just click this, everything just happened automatically. I just did everything. I just stayed with you in here. So you can see that the automation has been run successfully, and at the last it's just like collaboration. So that's why it's worked in this path and given the mail. So let me see on my mailbox and just came in here, and let me just go with this one, and I can see the automation result in here. So as you can see that is it a collaboration request, and if I go to the draft and click the draft section, you can see that like, hi name, I love to explore collaboration. Could you share more details about your offer? Let's discuss. So kind of like this kind of things happen. As you can see that it's not giving the name in here properly. But in a previous execution, it's just giving the name. So I don't know like why does that happen. Everything depends on the AI. So that's it. And if I have to just go with the name, that's it. And if I just go with send, and you don't send the email. So that's it. I hope like this video helped you a lot. And if you want to run this kind of automation, you want to run automation on your businesses, and you won't need a like automation expert, you can book a call with myself, and we can just call and like find out the specific problems and just the specific ways, so that like you can run automation on your businesses. And if you're a learner or like a business owner who is actually just doing this and learning this by yourself, obviously this channel will help you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Rakin Zakaria. And inshallah, lots of videos will come again. Those will obviously help you a lot. And I'm just trying to be consistent on this automation journey, so that this is also benefit myself and also benefit my audiences. Inshallah, like lots of videos will come again. Those will obviously help you and also the learners and also the businesses. That's it. Peace out.